In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import emails from Figma into Klaviyo. This is perfect if you've collected emails in Figma designs, forms, or prototypes and now want to move them into your email marketing system. Start by preparing your emails in Figma. Make sure you have all the email addresses in a clear list. You can organize them in a table or text file so it's easy to copy or export. It's important that each email is on a separate line or cell to avoid errors when importing. Next, log into your Klaviyo account and go to the Audience tab. This is where all your contacts are stored. If you haven't already, create a list specifically for these imported emails. You might call it something like Figma Leads, so you know exactly where these contacts came from. Now it's time to import. Click Add Contacts and choose Upload File. If you copied the emails from Figma, you can save them as a CSV file first. Make sure the file has at least one column labeled Email. Then select your file and map the fields correctly, ensuring the email addresses go into the Email field in Klaviyo. Before finishing, Klaviyo will ask if the contacts should be subscribed to email marketing. For best results, choose Yes, so these contacts can receive emails. Then click Import Contacts, and Klaviyo will upload all the emails into the list you created. Once the import is complete, check your list to make sure all the emails are there. You're now ready to include these contacts in your flows or campaigns and start sending emails to your new audience. And that's it. You've successfully imported emails from Figma to Klaviyo. This simple process saves time and ensures all your leads are ready for your marketing campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Klaviyo tips and tricks on the channel. Thanks for watching.